Okay guys, now we're getting a downpour here again. 3 days, 3 nights of rain. You see my yard's getting flooded. We'll zoom in a little bit. Oops, nice. Look at that guys, huh? I'll get a couple photos of that too. Look at that gutter overflowing again, guys. Let's zoom out a little bit. See that gutter? It's just overflowing like crazy right there. That's how much rain we're getting. Let's zoom into the road right now. Let's check out the road. Yeah, tilt this down. Look at the road, guys. And there's a stream flowing over there at the edge. Let's look over here. Maybe we can see it better right there. That's a stream right at the edge of the grass. See it moving? That's a lot of water. Look at that, guys. That's a freaking stream coming down, flooding the driveway, flooding my yard. Okay, that's the stream. Let's look at the water over here. We got waves coming in right there. Let's keep the zoom out a little bit. Got waves coming in. Let's go surfing. Wow. Unbelievable, guys. Unbelievable rain in Pennsylvania here. I'm going to take you back to the gutter. Look at that rain come from the gutter right there. Where's the gutter? Okay, I gotta zoom out because I'm getting used to the camera here. You know, you talk about rain. This is getting crazy, guys. Trying to get up to that gutter for you. Wow. Unbelievable. I just can't believe it, guys. And I'm using a tripod. I gotta reposition, guys. Let's get a look at the whiteout. You can. Can't get too far out in the rain. There we go. So, look at that rain. Check out the ground now, guys. We got a lot there. I'm getting flooded in here. Let me get you up a little bit more. Let's zoom in. Look at all the water, guys. That's a lot of water. Panning to the right. That's why I have to build dirt there. I got rid of those gardens. Those raised beds, guys. So it's too much shade over here. Very bad. You see that water dripping? It rotted the wood. The water all the way in here rotted the wood. Okay? So that's why I had to take that stuff out. Bad idea. Good idea at the time. I did grow corn and stuff in there, but the trees got taller. I trimmed the trees branched out even further and taller, so there's no room. No room. Over here by the bird bath, guys, we got a stream in the yard. The bird bath. Get down a little bit there, zoom it in. You see a stream running, a little tiny stream, but right there is a stream. Because the yard is flooded on the other side. Look at that water right there. Check it out, guys. Dirty water. Just all the debris is going downstream in my yard. It's like a freaking lake. Wow, I just can't believe it. Alright, let's zoom out. Wow, that's a close-up. Look at that, guys, of what's in that water. Wow. Unbelievable. See if we get you some rain shot. You guys see the rain at all? Check it out. Check out all that water in the driveway. That's the edge of my driveway, guys. See some grass to the left? See some grass right there? Look at that flow. I'm going to walk to my car right now. That's how bad it is. Look at that, guys. Wow. You see it's moving in, guys. Once it hits those trees right there, oh, you gotta book it. But it's coming this way, the storm. It's all white out. We can't see nothing. Oh, it looks like it's got a little funnel there.